Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Namecheap VPS for server management basics. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in namecheap.com and press enter. Once the Namecheap homepage loads, look for the sign up button at the top right corner. Click on the sign up button to create a new account. Fill in the required fields, including your email address and a secure password. After entering your details, agree to the terms and conditions. Click the Create Account button to complete the sign-up process. Next, log into your new Namecheap account using the email and password you just set up. Once logged in, navigate to the VPS section, usually found under the hosting menu. Choose the VPS plan that best suits your needs. Click the Get Started button next to your selected plan. Review the options for server configuration. Select your operating system preference for the VPS. Decide on any additional features you may want, such as backups or dedicated IP addresses. After selecting your preferences, click Continue. On the next page, fill in the payment information to complete your purchase. Confirm your order by clicking the Confirm Order button. Once your payment is processed, you'll receive a confirmation email. Now, go back to your Namecheap account dashboard. Locate the VPS section to view your newly created server. Click on the VPS to access its management settings. Here, you can manage your server, including setting up a firewall and monitoring usage. Familiarize yourself with the control panel to navigate efficiently. Explore the options available for installing software and managing server updates. Take advantage of any documentation provided by Namecheap for additional guidance. You're now ready to begin using your VPS for server management tasks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.